Hello, Melina Lower First Grade. Miss Choi here, ready to share with you a new skill for math today. All you need is a paper and a pencil and put your math brains on. And let's get started. Okay, so for this video, we are going to be focusing on lessons 12 and 13 of Module 6. These two lessons are going to help you be able to finish the work for this week, okay? For lesson 12, we are going to be able to use place value to help add two-digit numbers. We're going to review what place value is and what digit means, okay? So hopefully you remember what is place value and what is digit. Try to get back into your brain and remember what it is, and then we can review it if you don't. Okay, for the criteria for success, just like I showed you in the last lessons for Module 4, you have to make a number bond, but this time I want you to focus on friendly tens. This concept is a little bit new because friendly tens are not just the friendly number 10, but it's the friends of 10, okay? So friendly tens, there's more than one friendly 10, and you'll see why they're friendly, okay? So 10 is a friendly 10. He was the original friendly number 10. And then it's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. As you can see, there's a pattern, right? You can keep going and going if you feel like you're smart, but we're going to end at 90 for now, okay? The second thing that we need to do for our success is to draw our quick tens. And hopefully you remember how to do that because I went over that last time. This time we're going to do it again. Then we're going to add the tens and then the ones. That's place value, okay? So there are three examples that we're going to do, and then one you're going to do on your own. But while I'm doing it, I want you to practice on your paper too, okay? Let's do the first one. Okay, so the first problem is 45 plus 13. Now 45 plus 13, let's look at the number 45, and we want to see our place values. We have 5 and we have a 4. What place value is 5? Yep, it's the ones place. What place value is the 4? Yep, the tens place. Okay, let's see for 13 if you can do that too. 3 is in the ones place. 1 is in the tens place. Just because it's 1 doesn't mean it's in the ones place. 1 is in the tens place. Okay, now, kind of like what we did for Module 4, we're going to make our number bond trying to find our friendly number 10. I'm going to go choose the smaller number out of the two, and then break off the friendly number 10 because it's hiding under there, and then a 3. So then it's easy for 45 plus 10 to be what? And now we have to draw the quick tens, right? To help us. Quick tens. Remember, the lines make up the place value tens, and then the circles make the ones place. So we have, let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, and then do we go 50? No, it's a 1. So 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And then we have to add a 10. We don't have to draw our singles. We can just do a quick 10. That's why we call it so quick. Quick 10. So then all we have to do is add it on there. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 55. Let's see if we got that. Yep, it's 55. But remember, we're not done yet. we have to go back to the original question problem, and we can't forget about the ones that we have left over. So let's count on. Ready? So 55 plus 3. 55, 56, 57, 58. Let's see if we have 58. Yes, we do. Okay, ready for the next one? All right, this one, what did you notice? What changed and what didn't change? 45 didn't change, but the 13 changed from the last problem. What place value changed? The 3? Nope. 13, 3 is still the same. The tens place changed. So now we're going to see how the answer changes too. Let's take this, and this is where we have to remember our friendly tens. Okay? We're going to do the number bond again, but this time do we put a 10? No. We put a 20. 20 is a friendly 10, and I'll show you through the quick tens. 20 and 3 make 23. Okay? Now, let's add 45 and 20. Can we do that? Is it too hard? Let's see. 45 plus 20. We have our quick tens. We remember quick tens, 45. And then what do we have to do? Add 1? No. One more. Just one more. And let's now count the tens. We add the tens and then the ones. So let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65 is correct. But are we finished yet? Nope. 65, and then what do we not forget? We can't forget the ones again, the leftover ones, so we need to count on. 65 plus 3 is 65, 66, 67, 68. Let's see if the answer is correct. Yep, 68 is the answer. The question before was 10 less, so that's why it was 58. But this one is 10 more, so it's 68. Do you get the pattern? Good job. Let's go to the next one. This is our last example, and then I'm going to let you go to do one on your own. 27 plus 43. Now, my little tip is that I want you to choose the smaller number. So which one is less? 27 or 43? 27. So we're going to break that. What's the hidden friendly tens? Is it 10? 20? 30? If you said 20, you're right. 20 and what? 20 and 7 make 27. Good job. Now, this one is a little weird because it's flipped. On the other examples, the smaller number was on the right, so it was kind of easier to see. But now we have to just go with the friendly number tens, the friendly tens, and 40, the big number. So we're going to add 43 and 20. Let's see if our quick tens can help us visualize it. So we have 43, we have 4 quick tens, and then 3 singles, 3 ones. And we're going to add 1 and 1 more because 2 tens equals 20. Now let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 61, 62, 63. Yep, we have 63 altogether. But what did Miss Choi almost forget? Yep, the ones that is left over in the 27. So we have to go 63 plus 7, and let's count on. So 63. What's after 63? 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. Let's see if we got 70. Okay, this is one thing that I want to point out before. Did you notice that 3 and 7 make 10? It's a partner to 10. Did you spy that out? Good job if you did. So because it was a partner to 10, we were able to take all of these and maybe even transfer it and transform it to a quick 10. And that's why we were able to get 70. Now let's do your example that you're going to be doing. This is what you're going to do on your own. I want you to use your paper and pencil, and I want you to go through the criteria for success to solve 38 plus 52. Okay, so let me remind you of the criteria for success. Make a number bond with a friendly tens. That means that it's not just a 10, it could be 20, it could be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay? And then you draw your quick tens. You won't get full credit if you don't. And so that will help you add your tens, and it will help you add the ones. Okay? So I want you to pause this video and try it yourself, and then check back in to see if you got it correct. Okay, are you done? Good job. Even if you didn't get it right, just check it and learn from your mistakes. That's what's really important. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if you got it correct. 38, 30 and 8, 52 plus 30. Let's see if you drew the quick tens correctly. 52, and then how many? Yes, we have 3 tens now. That's still a friendly 10. 82, then 82, remember to add the 8. And keep going, counting on. Did you count on correctly? Let's see. Yes, 90. 2 plus 8 was a 10. It became a friendly 10 or a quick 10. And so it could have been easy to count it like this. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 90. Do you see that? How it's a full 10 frame. Okay, don't leave yet. We have one more lesson to go. So if you are running out of paper, get some more, okay? Okay, good job on lesson 12. Now, for lesson 13, we are going to focus on using different strategies to add 2-digit numbers. And there's a specific strategy I want you to focus on. Here's the criteria for success. You're going to make a number bond, but this time you're not going to be focused on friendly numbers, really. It's still important, but you're going to try to find a partner to 10. So for example, 7 and 3, there's 3 fingers I have down, they're partners to 10, right? And then 8, right? 8 and 2, they're a partner to 10. They make up all of my fingers. Now, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 more make partner to 10. Those are some of the numbers that you need to remember are partners that will help you solve these problems a little bit faster. Then you're off the hook with making quick tens. We should be professional at doing that now. We're going to try to use our brains to just be able to quickly add the tens and quickly add the ones. That's what I want us to practice today. without having to even draw quick tens. We're moving on up a level, okay? So let's go. First problem, 24 and 37. Now, 24 and 37 can be really difficult if we just focus on trying to do quick tens. So like our friendly tens, 20 and then 30. But then what do we do with 4 and 7? Because 4 and 7 are not really, it makes 11, and I don't know what to do with 11 and 30 and 20. Gets confusing, right? So let's try to make things a little bit easier. I'm going to focus on 37. I see that 37 has the 7 in the ones place. Now, how can I make 37 into a friendly 10? 37, we have a partner to 10 here. 7 and 3 is a partner to 10. So when we count on, we see that we have 40. We get to 40. So 37, 38, 39, 40. We have a friendly 40, right? Then that means that we had to break off 3 from 24, okay? So let's see what that looks like in our number bond. I'm going to break off 3, and if I want to break off 3 from 24, it has to be 21. 21 and 3 make 4. So now that we already did the break and we already added it, 40 plus 21 now, we have to just add the tens and then add the ones. So that's a part of our criteria for success, right? So 4, right, tens place, 4 is in the tens place, 2 is in the tens place. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then what's 0 plus 1? 1. So it should be 61. Okay? A little confusing? We'll practice a little bit more together. Here's the next one. 48 and 5. Where is the number? Which number has the bigger ones value? Which number has the bigger ones value? 48 does. Good job. 48 has the bigger ones value. It has the 8. So what we're going to do is try to figure out how much we can take off of 45 so that we can make 48 into a friendly 10. 48 and 2. Remember? 8 and 2. So then if that happens, 48, 49, 50. 50 is a friendly number to work with for sure. So how much did we have to break off? 2 from 45. So we're breaking off from the number bond 2. So what's left? We can count back, right? 45, 45, 44, 43. So 43. 43. So we can just add 50 with 43. We add the tens and we add the ones. So let's add the tens. 5 is the 10. 4 is in the tens place in the other side. So 5 plus 4 is 9. We add the ones. 0 and 3 is 3. So it should be 93. Okay? Good job. All right, let's do one more practice and then you're gonna do it on your own, okay? 36 and 49. Which one has the greater ones place? Right, I was just pointing to it. 9. So 9 is the greater. So I'm gonna focus on 49 then, right? So 49, and how many more do I need to make a 10, a partner to 10, to make a friendly 10, to make it easier on me? 49 and 1. You're right. 9, and partner to 9 is 1. You're right. 49 and then 50. 50 is a friendly number to work with. Very good. 50, I had to break off 1 from 36. So we break off, and we break off 1. What do we have left over? 35. So 50 plus 35. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 0 plus 5 is 5, so we have 85. Okay, so here is the problem you're going to work on your own with your paper and pencil. You're going to solve 48 plus 34, and here's the reminder for the criteria for success. You have to make a number bond with a partner to 10. For example, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 4 plus 6, and in the other problem, it was 9 plus 1. Second criteria for success is add the tens, and then third is add the ones. If you feel like you need to do your quick tens, go ahead and do that, but we graduated from it. You can try to do in your head, be more quick with it so that you can add the tens and then add the ones as quick as you can. All right, pause the video and try it yourself, and then come back again to check your answer. Okay, you're back? Good job. Now, here we go. 48, we're focusing on 48. Yep, and we're going to see that 8 and 2 is a partner to 10. That makes a friendly 10, 50. Now, we have to break that. Remember to break that 2 off of 34. And so, we have 32 and 2 make 34. So because we already used the 2, we don't need to worry about it. We have to remember the 32. So 50 plus 32 is 5 and 3 make 8, 0 and 2 make 2. So we have 82. If you got it right, give yourself a big, huge star. If you did it, go back and see where you went or may have gotten it wrong, and then learn from your mistakes. That's the most important part. Great job, everyone. That was 2 lessons in a row, and you guys did a great job today. Keep up the great work. We're almost to the end. Until next time, have a great day, learn a lot, and have